Okay, what is going on, guys? It's your man City here, and we are playing some Azir mid. The one and only Azir. Okay. And apparently I am bird guy now. I'm fine with that, I'm fine with that. Up against Nikali. That's fine, that's fine. That... Oh, my A key isn't working, so I actually can't CS as well as I should. Because I usually use my A key to, auto attack. I press A like this, but it's been like falling off or whatever. Electrocute, nice. It's been falling off, and so I can't use it. I'm just gonna have to click, so I might be bad if I miss something. Like that. And that. Yeah. There we go. That's good. That's good. That's good. Like that. Nice. We're doing okay so far. Does she have Ignite? She does have Ignite and Electrocute. Ah. Missing. I'm gonna go ahead and ward this up, because that Malphite's it's kind of scary. Kind of scary indeed. Max our Q. Nope, not even close. Let's see. And we do have a Vi jungle, so we can get some good ganks in once he hits level 6, or once she hits level 6, I guess.
Believe in our future.
First,
that's not good. I don't trust myself to get to auto attack the. Okay. I didn't really need to flash there, but just in case.
Order is given.
And we got that nice 300 gold. That's good, that's good, that's good. Next one I'm gonna all in. If I can. Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. We're gonna thought, but she is a thought. Oh no. Okay.
turret plating will soon fall.
Onward.
Just go back. Spend our 2k gold. Yeah. We have a good CS lead. Oh dang, our CS is actually really good. Usually I don't CS this well. Maybe I should start using the regular attack instead of the A key. Let's get this, I guess. Some boots.
I will return to
Oh, that was a fail. Okay. Tower plating's gone, so she can't get that. How are you guys feeding a Kali? She's not that good. Oh, she is a Kali though. She's kind of a broken champ. I know that Morgana is coming. Probably see me. They can see me. I don't know why I went there.
None know will.
You don't want to do the dragon? Okay, that's fine. This Kali is fed AF right now. Let's take this turret. Nice. Keep pushing. Nice. There's no one want to stop me. There's no one gonna stop me from doing this. I'm taking your towers, guys. I'll fight AFK. Might be AFK actually. But I haven't seen him in a while. We can use our passive. Oh. Okay. We'll use it now, I guess.
Shurima's legacy will endure.
What? What was that? Hold up. You guys see that? I don't know about that, but that was kind of weird. That fight is not AFK.
An ally has been slain.
Okay.
Has been destroyed.
Nice. We are in a very good spot right now. Very good spots.
Shall return.
This Akali's gonna one-shot me. That's the thing. Maybe I have lasagnas. But for now, let's just get this. So one of these,
An ally has been slain.
and then sell 2 of these.
Lives in Shurima.
Stop feeding Akali, please.
Given.
Akali's back down there. So we can push safely. Nice. Fuck. That was weird, but okay. Nice flash there. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Ah! I think we're gonna end it anyways. Yeah. I think we're ending it. Dang, they took it all the way down. They really did. So Vi is doing really good. I'm pretty sure I can 1v2 now. No, 1v5. 1v5. Nah. Only if I had some sort of like Conqueror maybe. Is Conqueror good on? Oh, if you hit that. Oh. Oh, you guys you guys need to help what are you guys doing? You need to help bottom or top lane, I guess. GG anyways. Oh yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Like the video and see you guys later. Peace.